2026 isn't about the hype or the best AI tool. It's about practicality. Which one actually wins? Let's find out. There are thousands of AI tools. Obviously, we can test each one, so let's narrow down the boundaries. ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. These are the top tools and almost gets everything done. Look, there is no such thing as a perfect AI tool. Absolutely. But all of these tools are great at performing some specific tasks. And here's the catch, we need a full digital force to survive in 2026 and this competitive era of technology. So let's find out which one is great at performing what specific tasks. To make our research simple and practical, I have divided tasks into three main categories. First is creation, second is tech and analysis, and the third one is research. And I think almost everything fall under the umbrella of these three tasks. So let's find out which one is dominating at what category. Now stick till the end because the answer might surprise you, because it is really surprising. Let's start with ChatGPT, the most popular AI tool, the big boss. According to OpenAI itself, 3/4 of the conversations are seeking practical guidance, information, and writing being the most common task, with other remains niche actives. Okay, so you can say the best AI tool for creation, for content creation, is ChatGPT. Whether it is blog, it's social media script writing, it is emails, it is articles, whatever it is, ChatGPT is really great at creating content. Now moving on, we have Claude, which is a really great AI tool at performing technical and analytical tasks. So Anthropic, the parent company of Claude, have done a research on about 1 million students to find out why they are using Claude. And they found 33.5% are using Claude to debug code, to get technical explanations, and to solve math problems. So you can say the best AI tool for technical and analytical tasks, whether it is debugging a code, doing data analysis, or when you are playing with something which is a bit technical, you have to use Claude. Now moving on, thirdly and lastly, we have Perplexity, which is an amazing AI tool for research purposes. As they say, Perplexity is an AI powered engine which provides real-time answers, and it's pretty accurate, because Perplexity has a really great feature of web search. And from web search, I don't mean like simple web search, a really powerful web search, which is really great when you are doing research. You have to access the live web data. Perplexity can do it. You have to go through articles, you have to go through blogs. Perplexity can do it, and it is a really great thing. And it is really great whether you are doing product research, market research, or any kind of research. So you can use ChatGPT for content creation, you can use Claude for analytical and technical tasks, and you can use Perplexity to do your research. And you can combine all of these when you are working on a great project which requires all of these three. So this is the research I have done, and it is pretty accurate. I have done it by keeping in my mind a majority of you people and most common tasks, and there are some exceptions, obviously. So I would suggest that if your case is really exceptional and it is really out of the box, I would suggest you should use all of these tools, and you better figure out which one is working for you at what specific task. And I'm sure these tools won't disappoint you because they are really great. So I've done this research, this is really great, but my suggestion is, if your case is really extraordinary, you should try all of these tools by yourself. So if you like this research, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and like so other people can find this valuable information, and it also motivates me to create more engaging and more valuable content for you.